Is the middle part here within the ropes, so please don't stay in that area unless you're boarding the lift going off it. Otherwise, you have to be safe when you're walking around, because the path is a little bit slippery and big rocks that you might even have to hold the ropes to go down.
Yeah.
So, and then of course you have the headlights to see better where you go. But, you know, the volcano itself, you can see the black lines that we have in the wall over there, and also on the opposite side. So this is actually the fissure itself that opened up. So the yellow parts are the older rocks that just opened up when the pressure was so much that, you know, the magma went through.
Yeah.
So it was hardened within the fissure, and of course built up the volcano during the eruption. But when it was finished, the main magma, or most of it, went out and drained somewhere else. So we really don't know where that lava went, or the magma. But that's the real mystery about the volcano. But it was hollow inside, the conduit or the chimney. So we had actually room for the structure to weaken. So there was a big collapse that pretty much made this big dome that we are standing in now. But right after the collapse, then we had the colors here actually coated onto the walls because of the heat and the gases. So we have the yellow colors, which are, you know, sulfur. We have red, which are iron oxides. Yeah. Then we have copper, which is green. Magnesium is purple. And silica is white. So all this is just right after the eruption, right after the collapse, and it's just a thin layer of coating on the outer parts. So the real color of the rocks is actually black, which you see in the crack here, and also here with the black rose that we call it. You see the cave up there? Yeah. So this is the black rose, and this is where the magma was trying to find another way out of the volcano during the eruption. But it didn't reach through because we don't have an extra peak on the outside. Yeah. But, yeah.
You should not go to...
No, you have 15 more minutes.
Anxious to go out?
You can go if you want.
No,
okay.
So that we have to go with that one. I didn't know why he's leaving without us.
So you have about half an hour to just walk around here. Yeah, and you guys 15 minutes. And I'll be up here to answer.
So which way should I go first, down there? The way?
And you can go down here, and it's a full circle around the area.
Okay.
So.
Vă cer să aveți grijă, aprindeți-vă lampile ca să vedeți, dați-le în jos.
Vedeți că e ud și alunecos. Vă mai ține și de sfoară, da? Ați făcut pipi pe voi la dus? V-a fost frică?
Nu, a fost în regulă.
Ia atenție la picioare. Vedeți că sunt pietre mari și vă prindeți picioarele prin. Păi aici se cam termină treaba. Puteți să mergeți să faceți niște poze. Nu, atât se coboară, gata.
Facem niște poze mișto. Să le invidieze toată lumea.
Mă ia mețeala că mă uit în sus.
Dar i-am stat acolo. Ba da, pe acolo, dă mâna. Să mă descurc eu. Hai, dă-te la o parte, scobor și eu. Ușor! Stai să mă bag și pe șură, da?
Dar nu se vede până unde am intrat.
Nu, de acolo de sub lift se vede lumina. Da, uite, se vede un pic de lumină acolo sus.
Da, dar e de la lift.
Nu, mai sus.
Ok, și cum facem noi pozele astea ștechiroase?
Păi, vrei să te prinzi din ele?